Hello, welcome, W.J. Burns, PHX. This is a 1941 Zenith Model 7S 633. It has been completely refinished inside and out. The typical capacitors and electrolytics have all been replaced. It has been sanded back to raw wood, restained, and refinished with several coats of clear poly. It has a new speaker grill cloth, new semi-gloss black trim, the knobs are originals, all the buttons are originals, glass is original. The front bezel has been repolished and clear coated, as well as the dial face and pointer. Sorry if the camera is not producing a sharp image. The focus seems to be a little sluggish on this phone. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. It is heavy cloud cover. We are expecting heavy storms. I'll see if I can get this done in short order. It has new lamps in the dial. It has been fused. A new polarized power cord has been added. A voltage dropping resistor has been added. It has 3 new tubes in it. An IF stage, an RF stage, and a converter have been replaced. It has new rubber feet. It has a new handmade back cover. The old one was shabby. It has fresh new decaling. Right now I have it hooked on to my long wire antenna, which is about 40 feet, 45 feet long. Runs around my canopy here. And we're going to fire this up and let you give a listen to it on all bands. Give me a minute to put the camera in the rack, and we'll be ready to go. Okay, we'll start with the push buttons. The indicators down here show you where you're at. Automatic tuning, broadcast, police, and shortwave. We'll start here on automatic tuning.
All the colors of the wheel. Can you paint with all the colors of the wheel?
station. I have these set to whatever I could get picked up here. We don't have that many stations here. Just one local station. The rest are probably anywhere from 16 miles to 100 miles. So,
just as I said, a sitting president can't be indicted.
looks like it might be starting to rain here a little. I feel some drops.
Now everyone understands.
This radio will come with a procedure to show you how to adjust these. You just push that little lever there and pull it out. These things here you adjust in and out. I use a little dowel rod with a slit in it to do the oscillators, and then you can use a nut driver to go in and do the things. I'll include a video of another radio that has the same kind of adjustments on it for the push buttons with the sale of purchase of this radio. Okay. Here are the tonal buttons. I guess it's what the Zenith calls a radio organ or whatever they call it.
Hopefully that'll be cleaned up soon enough. And of course, when it comes to the regular so-called news media, the Washington Post, the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, the rest of it, it's hyper time. It's hyper time. My God! Now he's got his former buddy who ran the National Enquirer. He's backing up Cohen. Who cares if he's backing up Cohen? It is not a secret that the president made payments. There are NDAs.
Let's go over to the broadcast.
Because he didn't want these women speaking.
And that's the station we're currently on.
Irrelevant. As I said before,
you can see that we're picking up static now from and lightning strikes. That's one thing good about these. I don't know if it's a good thing about these radios is they're susceptible to a lot of electromagnetic interference.
Actually, a few years ago, at the time I was working for the
in the evenings, a lot more stations come in here in this Verde Valley because stations in the area will just start to drop their power in the next hour or so, and other stations start coming through pretty good.
Savings every day when you use your Lowe's Advantage.
That's our local station here, 1600.
Subject to credit approval and can't be combined with any other credit offers. Exclusions apply. See store for details. U.S. only.
Okay, we'll go back on down.
They're pleading to
That's where we started from. Starting to get a lot more lightning strikes. That station there is Flagstaff Station, about 80 miles away.
It's your credit worthiness, and it's important to getting a great interest rate. At Fairway, we can...
There is in Sedona, about 16 miles. I don't know where that one's at, but I'm guessing it might be Prescott or Prescott Valley, which is about 40 miles. Okay. Now, keep in mind that I am getting an assist on the long wire. And I'll see if the documentation for the radio has something on hooking up the long wire to the thing. If not, I'll make up something and include that with the radio. Okay, we're done with that. Let's go over to the police band. This is the one you heard over here at 1600.
Courteous service at their convenient drive-through.
Now, whenever you do the police, it's all shortwave. Police is shortwave, except for down here. This was the old police band between 1600 and 1800 kilocycles. But from there is all shortwave. I call shortwave 1, and then shortwave 2. If you pull the link off the terminals in the back and hook the long wire antenna to the one marked A, and then go to an earth ground on the other one, you'll alleviate a lot of this static and scratchiness. There's not much on this band, except maybe late evening, maybe up here in the high part. Anything above 3.5, possibly, and 5.5. You might get some amateur. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay, we'll go up to the upper part of shortwave and go back. Now in the date, it drifts in, drifts out. In the early mornings, you'll get busy up here in the 16 through 25 meter band, and then it falls off about this time during the day, and then the lower 49 meter back to about 38 meter picks up quite a bit. I guess it has to do with where they're broadcasting from, the time of day. And then the middle of here portion is any time during the day. You'll be liable to get something.
Remember.
Not sure what the heck that is. No, right around 12 megahertz here is Cuba. At least that's where I picked it up.
Dentro de esta misma rueda de prensa señaló que Washington debe entender que las
at other times when we got clear skies, we're heavy overcast right now. Yeah, with a little sprinkling going on right now.
Well, let's see.
Right now, but when it's clear, it comes through pretty good, pretty steady. Sometimes, a lot of times early in the evening when it's clear, I get a lot of chatter in this area of the shortwave band.
Now see them there? Somebody's up there speaking, and all
This
these
guy's got
other
a booming
people
station.
sitting out there
I'm not sure
in
where
their
he's at.
lines.
Invested in something can be good and right, or they can.
Some of these down in this area of the band, this time of day, are so close together. You just kind of just look at the knob and it'll pick up a different station. Yeah, that looks like it looks like about it for there. So, and we'll kick it back down.
Call 800-246-8751. That's 1-800-246-8751. Or go online to balanceofnature.com and use discount code MARK.
There's a reason liberals line up for a smackdown. Free government cheese from...
Okay, so there you have it. A Zenith 1941 7S633, available soon.
Other than some people who say they do and then
Thanks for watching.
jump like rats off of a It's amazing. People positioning themselves and broadcasting.